clearly now. We are in the Porsche Cup car on Spa. See if we can get a good qualifying lap in here. My goal really with this channel is to... Oh, no. Okay, no contact was made. Our car's still good. That's what we don't want happening. Alright, let's get it, let's get it. Alright, let's not spin out here. Oh, 226. Alright, well. Terrible. Alright, I'll see you when the race gets started. Alright, we are gridding in 13th. Smack dab middle of the frickin' grid, bro. We are standing starts. This is going to get crazy in the first lap. Just trying to survive.
The estimated SOF is 1,505.
1,505. That's
a lot of opportunities.
That's all right. We can do that. All right, here we go.
Green, green, green.
Pretty good start there. Pretty good start. We're going down the middle. I'm in the middle, 3 wide. Oh, sorry, bro. I'm the crash. And, yeah. It's fine. Everything's good. We're all good. We got pushed a lap. We got pushed around a little there. We got 4 points of contact. Wow, no major crash though. That's kind of crazy. So everybody's still in the race? It's gonna be a battle then. Yeah, yeah. Holy cow, what am I driving into right now? Need to get ahead of this group. Wow. Straight into him. That dude just ran straight into him. Gave no space at all. I gotta be a dead last now, man. Come on. Oh, I ran straight into him. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna get disqualified. No, dude. Oh, no. We're in dead last. It's in there. And I'm disqualified.
Flag. You have to drive through the pits without stopping. Optional repairs are 2 minutes.
Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys.
All the damage is repairable.
That was a terrible race, terrible start, terrible finish. I am going to go take a nap. Let me know if you like this video, like and subscribe.